Bon appetit with ENVIKIT. Okay, so you decide to go out on a picnic, grab a quick bite during lunch at work. It's your birthday. Your daughter just graduated from school. Yay! Baby shower, eating something on the beach, going hiking, camping for the weekend. Stop! Are you still using single-use plastic cutlery in your daily life? Oswald and his friends would like to introduce you to a whole new way of eating without making their food taste so funny. Meet ENVIKIT, your new, super easy to carry, sustainable, and stylish cutlery kit. The small protective case includes a spoon, a fork, a knife, chopsticks, a collapsible straw, and a reusable napkin. Made from high-quality titanium-coated stainless steel, makes it hygienic and safe, so you can enjoy a lifetime of meals with ENVIKIT. So, how do you use ENVIKIT? Get the case out of your pocket or backpack. Screw the parts and eat. Still look sharp without damaging the environment. And for the straw, it's just as easy. Shake it as a wand and voila! Your compact sipper is ready to enjoy your drink or cocktail. After use, you can wash it or simply wipe it. Put things away till the next meal. Use ENVIKIT at the office, outside, your favorite bar, for takeaway, and anywhere you need it, because you can always carry the kit with you. Bon appetit with ENVIKIT. Hey, psst. Thanks for backing this project and making my home and meals taste so much better too.